The PNI IP60 live surveillance camera can be installed in any location, even in isolated places where there is no stable source of power and internet available. The built-in 20 amperes battery ensures the operation of the camera for up to 60 hours. The monocrystalline solar panel with a maximum power of 60 Watt quickly charges the battery. The solar panel must be installed in an area that ensures the best possible exposure to the sun, oriented to south or southwest. The battery charge level is indicated by the center LED on the metal mounting bracket. Insert a 4G SIM with mobile data into the surveillance camera to have an internet connection. Thus, you can remotely control the camera through the CamHi or HiP2P Client application for Windows. We recommend that you configure the camera before installing it outdoors using an RJ45 cable to connect it to the router. After successfully adding the camera to the application, configure it on the 4G mobile data network, accessing the Advanced Settings menu. To increase the level of security, the camera uses algorithms that compare images in order to identify the human form. Along with the function of motion detectors, the human form detection function prevents false alarms caused by the movement of vegetation or animals. The built-in microphone and speaker allow you to communicate remotely with a visitor or drive away intruders. The recordings will also have video and audio.